guys, so today Kendra and I are going to be showing you 2 different ways to use the John Frieda Frizz collection. Thanks so much to John Frieda for sponsoring this video, and you guys don't forget to shop the collection with the link in our description box. Now let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be showing you how you can achieve a wash and go with the John Frieda Frizz collection, and I'm just starting out with clean conditioned hair, and the first product that I'm going to be using is the John Frieda Frizz Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner. And I went in with this first because it helps the detangling process go by a lot smoother because my hair is extremely tangly, and it's so much easier when I have a leave-in conditioner to start out with before I go into styling. So I just sprayed that in each side of my head, and I'm just working it through before I go in and section my hair. So the John Frieda Frizz collection has a ton of products to enhance your curls and smooth strands, and it also gives you bouncy frizz-free waves, and it's great for hair that demands a lot of attention like mine because my hair pretty much takes up half my week. So the next product that I'm going to be using is the John Frieda Frizz Extra Strength Serum, and this is an OG product for me because I've been using this serum for years. This is one of my favorite serums from the drugstore. It smells absolutely amazing, and it just makes your hair super shiny and manageable. And I take about 4 pumps of this when I'm using it on my curly hair. Now when I straighten my hair, I would not take this much serum, but for my curly hair this is the perfect amount. So if you're using this to straighten your hair, I recommend just using 1 pump of this, but it just makes the hair super shiny, and I just love this stuff. So I go in once again, like I said, with 4 pumps in each section, and I start at my ends and work my way up, and I just work it through. And also notice how after I apply this serum to each section, I go ahead and clamp my hair back up just to make sure it stays nice and damp before I go in and apply my last product. And then the very last product that I'm going to be using is the John Frieda Frizz Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream, and this is excellent if you have flyaways, and it's a really nice cream to smooth your hair but not weigh it down. So I really like this on my curls because it just gives it a nice lightweight hold. So it's a nice balance for me. So I just go on with this and I rake it through my hair, and I do about maybe 3 to 4 subsections of this just because I want to make sure my hair is nice and defined. So I'm just working this through my hair, and as I'm applying it in my hair, you're going to notice that my hair gets extremely shiny, and you can just tell the difference when I apply this. So I feel like this is extremely helpful if you have frizz prone hair, and it's just excellent for shine and frizz. Okay, now that I'm done applying all 3 products, I'm just going to let my hair air dry, which usually takes an eternity, but you know, the life of a curly girl. Okay, now that my hair is dry, I just like to take some of the John Frieda Frizz Extra Strength Serum and add a little bit more shine to my hair. So I only take about 1 pump of this. This also takes away any crunch that your hair may have left over from the air drying process. So here's just a quick before and after. As you can see, my hair is a lot more manageable, shiny, and defined with still bounce and manageability. So yeah, now Kendra's going to show you guys how to get a quick, easy summer style using the John Frieda Frizz collection. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to go from this 3-day-old hair to this nice, refreshed, frizz-free summer go-to hairstyle of mine using the John Frieda Frizz collection. And I'm going to get right into it, starting with the John Frieda Frizz Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to start by using that to detangle my hair and getting it to be more manageable because my hair has a lot of tangles in it. And I'm just going to start by dividing my hair into 2 sections from ear to ear. So I'm just going to separate the front from the back. Not only am I going to be using this to detangle my hair, but I'm also going to be using this to refresh my curls and bring them back to life. So after I'm done applying the John Frieda Frizzy's Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner, I'm going to be taking the John Frieda Frizzy Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream and applying that the exact same way I applied the leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to be using this to define my curls and add a little bit more moisture to my hair. And this is super moisturizing. I love the way it feels going in my hair. Next, I'm just going to be repeating those exact same steps to the front of my hair. And as you guys can see, the John Frieda Frizzy's collection does a great job at bringing life back into the hair and getting rid of that frizz that everybody has, because I know I have those stubborn sections that just won't do what I want them to do. So after I'm done with those steps, I'm going to gather the hair in the back to separate it from the front, and that is the key to this hairstyle to getting it to look the best. I'm going to be taking a bristle brush and brushing my hair up into a ponytail and applying a little bit of edge control and securing that with a hair tie. And as you guys can see, I have to wrap my hair around quite a few times, and I'm obsessed with this hairstyle because it's like a permanent facelift. Now I'm just going to be scrunching up my curls a little bit more, and as you guys can see, my curls already look shiny, but I'm going to add something just to add a little bit more shine, and this is the John Frieda Frizzy's Extra Strength 6 Effects Serum. I've been using this product for years, and when I tell y'all it smells amazing like the rest of the John Frieda Frizzy's collection, this product is bomb. So I'm just going to add that mainly to the ends of my hair to add some more moisture, bring out my baby hairs a little, and that is pretty much it. And as you guys can see, it looks nothing like it did before, and that was the goal. And that is the go-to summer hairstyle that I like to do with the help of the John Frieda Frizzy's collection. And thank you guys so much for watching. This video is sponsored by John Frieda Frizzy's.